Okay, so here are the hallways of South Tower. The concierge is downstairs with only 6 units per floor. This is 704. And it's a little under 1,200 square feet. It's about 1,150 square feet approximately. You've got all white Sub-Zero and Miele appliances, KitchenAid microwave, and Miele stovetop. It's a nice open kitchen. And again, usually these are like beige, but it's all white. We've got big, nice white tiles and white leather couch. So here is the terrace. The blinds off of the bedrooms right now are getting fixed, so I don't want to mess with them. But you do have, if I put the blinds up from both bedrooms, you do have access to the terrace from both bedrooms and all of this furnishings. So this is what you were inquiring about. There is one terrace here, and then these are the beach houses. These are their rooftops. You rarely see people on them. If you do, it's like one-offs. But so let's take a look at the bedrooms. Got this white kind of beachy theme. Here is the closet. And do these open? I forget. No, I think this is a built-in. This is your TV. And again, that would be your view from the master. Apologies for not having the blinds up, but they're getting them fixed this coming week. Master bath, jacuzzi tub. This is the standard Carillon details and fixtures. You've got ceiling fans. And this mirror that reflects the ocean. Second bedroom has like a teak floor in the shower, and this detail on the walls. The second bedroom, all white and beachy. There's your television, fan, and the closet space. And again, this would have your view here, but I don't want to futz with the blinds. It's a decent unit, and it's in the South Tower. Very quiet here, and you rarely see people out on these terraces. And it's kind of a nice, you know, architectural detail. I do once in a while see somebody come up here. There's one person I know that sits on the roof, and they'll work from the rooftop. You can go up there and enjoy the view. So let me know your thoughts. It's kind of gray today, but usually the water's beautiful and turquoise.